how to delete your DWP account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is, of course, access your DWP online service. What you're going to do is simply get into your gov.uk, and then from here you'll need to get into your DWP and make sure that you are logged into your account. You can simply add in all of your credentials of your DWP and log into your account. Then from there you'll need to now, of course, like get into your DWP service portal. For example, it could be PIP, Universal Credit, or Pension, right? After doing that, of course, you'll need to send a message via your journal or service message board requesting account closure, and then you can now simply call the designated helpline for your specific benefit, and then from there you can now submit a formal request to DWP right of access or data protection team requesting your data deletion where permissible. And after doing that, I'm pretty sure that way you'll successfully be able to delete your DWP account permanently.